First off, there's my work backpack with a nice set of bamboo utensils that I won in a competition. Got a spoon, fork, knife, and some chopsticks. Definitely comes in handy. And then here we have a dresser that I got for $10 at a garage sale when I first moved out to Colorado. So a super lucky find. And the bed is secondhand. The only things that I moved out here with were the end table here and this tree branch piece, all of the pillows, bedding, and then all my clothes and kitchen crap. This is my little bookshelf, water bottle. Got this rock lamp in Estes Park. It's $50. Definitely a splurge, but I really like it. And then thank you, Ethan, for buying me this fan because it's hot as fuck in my room in the summertime. Got this resist banner overlooking the parking lot. You can see Denver. Pretty nice view. Tripod station, yoga, blocks. Pro tip, I like to fold my yoga mat. This is a jade mat. Got it on Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, I like to fold my mats because when I roll them, I don't like unrolling it and having it like not unroll all the way. It'd be like flappy at the end. Yeah, this laundry basket is super cute. My old roommate actually bought it for me at a thrift store and it definitely matches the aesthetic. Thank you so much, shout out Hannah. And then here we have one of my favorite gifts from my amazing coworker. He also got, I believe he got this at a thrift store, but I don't know, it's pretty cool. All living beings, starting from insects, want happiness and not suffering. However, we are only one, whereas others are infinite. Thus, it can be clearly decided that others gaining happiness is more important than just yourself alone. The Dalai Lama. This is where I keep my keys. And then, you can see I'm not very good at this, but in my yoga teacher training, we had this charting system, and I've tried to pick it up a handful of times after my teacher training was over, and clearly I've fallen off the wagon. Here's my bathroom. Got this cool plant that my roommate's cats have nibbled on quite a bit. This shower curtain I got on Facebook Marketplace. It was actually brand new. The person who had bought it didn't realize their roommate had bought one as well, so pretty cool. And then here we have medicine cabinet. It's nice because I can see myself in the mirror. I can see the back of my head. So, what have we got here? This is not the most zero waste item, but I just cannot use face moisturizer that has oil in it. I don't know about y'all, but that does not work for my skin type. So I do have to find like an oil-free face moisturizer. And this one's from Trader Joe's, and I realized after I bought it that it does have collagen in it. Let's see if it'll focus. Nope, well, anyways, don't buy this. This is Pond's Cold Cream, which I've actually been using since college. My roommate gave it to me. I just use it as a eye makeup remover on the rare occasions that I put on eye makeup. My cousin bought me this. It's like a spot treatment for acne. And this is literally the only deodorant that actually works, that doesn't have aluminum. Aside from, okay, so up here we have this Hippie Pits brand, which I really liked, but because it does work, but you have to like dig it out with your nail and like smear it on your armpits, and it's kind of gross. So this is where it's at. Here we have bamboo toothbrush, scissors, tongue scraper, another tongue scraper. This one was gifted to me and I had already had this one. Definitely not one of those people that can just be on their period and not take pain meds because I literally want to die. So I do have ibuprofen and acetaminophen, which I kind of like alternate between. And the CBD oil is a nice like supplement to that, so you can actually take less ibuprofen if you're taking CBD oil, so that's pretty dope. And then this is just Vaseline, which I put on before I go to bed. And I bought this razor for my brother so he could try it out. It's like a safety razor. I have used it on my legs, which isn't terrible. I'm kind of afraid to shave my vag, but anyways, this is the refillable razor heads for that. And then we have floss container, which I just use as storage for some thumbtacks. And this is the floss that I've been using, which I just cut with these scissors. Got a dry brush, and this is a razor that I've been using. Yes, it is plastic. I try and store it outside of my showers so that it doesn't stay wet, because it's the moisture that dulls the blade. And then I kind of like dry it off on a towel and blow dry it a little bit. So it does last quite a bit, but they do have reusable heads. So I guess it's not the worst thing in the world. And then this is my toothpaste. Oops. Got from the Zero Market. There we go. This deodorant is okay. Doesn't work as well as the Schmidt's. Sunscreen. Please give me a recommendation for a natural sunscreen that is actually protective, because it says SPF 50, but doubt it. And this is alum powder. Fun fact, if you ever have canker sores, this will literally cure them almost overnight. You just kind of dab it on and it dries it out. Handy. And in this cabinet over my toilet here, we have toilet paper from this brand, Who Gives a Crap? Revolutionary, guys. It's a subscription that you sign up for, and they send you a box of toilet paper every couple months or however often you go through it. It's all made out of recycled paper, and none of it's wrapped in plastic, so. And then we have some bar soaps. I use this stuff for my body. I was just gifted this for Christmas. I don't know, it's vegetarian soap, so no goat's milk or anything. This is what I use for my face. As you can see, it is a bar soap that is wrapped in paper. And then we have some just containers, empty containers. Actually, my mom got me a, what's it called? Food delivery subscription free week or whatever for Purple Carrot. And the food is amazing. It's all plant-based, but gotta say, can't support it because there's so much freaking plastic packaging that it comes with. But since it was only a week that I just saved all the little containers that stuff came in, and I use these to take shampoo when I travel. This is lotion from the Zero Market. This is a menstrual cup, which honestly, revolutionary. There's 1,000 videos on the internet about menstrual cups, but we gotta make tampons obsolete because there's just absolutely no need. And here, this bag is so freaking old. I've had it since like middle school. It's really faded. So I have soap bag for traveling. This was from the Purple Carrot subscription. This is lotion. And I've been using this for like probably a year and a half now. You can tell I don't wear makeup very often, so I still have some left. It's just like a CC cream. I like it because it doesn't look like you're wearing foundation at all. It just kind of like subtly eliminates some redness. The only thing is, if you have a zit, it's not a very good concealer. This is blush that I got from the Zero Market. So no plastic necessary. And then this was my roommate's. She didn't really use it, so she gave it to me. And the only 3 shades I use are this white here, this one you can tell, I guess Jordan liked this color. And then this black color I actually use as an eyeliner, and I apply it with this thingy That's another revolutionary thing I wish I knew back in high school when I did my makeup all the time and was using liquid liner. This is just so much more like subtle. The line isn't as sharp and I like it a lot more. Mascara that's really dried up because I had it forever. It is cruelty-free though, even though it comes in plastic. What can you do? Up top I got my straightener, brush, blow dryer, this lotion that I was using before I discovered the Zero Market, which is amazing. And then in my shower, it's really dirty, don't look. These are just shampoo and conditioner bottles that I got from the Zero Market. The shampoo's all right, you know, it works. But the conditioner kind of sucks, so I honestly don't even use it. But it's not really a problem for me. My hair's pretty naturally oily, so I don't really need conditioner. And it's short, so I can just brush out the tangles pretty easily. And that's about it. This was some old shampoo I was using that I refilled at the Zero Market. On my dresser here we have Salt Rock lamp, favorite thing ever. Some pens. This is actually graphite, but it's just kind of decorative. And a candle, and then we got some weed, B12. This is 1,000 micrograms, which is a bit much, so I actually cut them into quarters, and they're dissolvable tablets. And then some vitamin D, perfume that I've had since high school, and then earrings that I never wear, bamboo that I struggle to keep alive, and then a hat. Over here is Finley's Corner, this little chewed up avocado, and then my camera bag, good old Tupac in honor of Julie Carbstrong. And that is my room, y'all.
Yo, how when me eat them, I wonder when me eat. When me tell them say me no eat no fish, nah, no meat now. How when me eat them, I wonder when me yam. When me tell them say that I'm a vegan, man. How when me eat them, I wonder when me eat. When me tell them say me no eat no fish, nah, no meat now.